Morning students, welcome you all in this video. Today we will take chapter of Footprint Without Feet, first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. Students, this is a very interesting story. It is based on an episode which reflects the silly and sentimental behavior of a rich woman named Mrs. Pampery towards her pet dog, and her pet dog name is Tricky. She pampers and overfeeds her dog. As a result, the dog falls seriously ill and has to be sent to a veterinary surgeon. This story tells us how the dog is cured without an operation. The whole narration is full of fun and humor. Now, students, Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? You will find in this story. Does the dog recover? Now, three questions are asked in the beginning of the story. Why is Mrs. Pampery worried about Tricky? And next question is, what does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Next question is, who does I refer to in this story? Students, first I am telling you in brief, I am telling you summary in brief. There are two main character in this story. The Mrs. Pampery and Dr. James Herriot, and the dog named is Tricky. Tricky is a pampered overfed dog kept by Mrs. Pampery. One day the narrator, who is a veterinary surgeon's name is Mr. Herriot, sees Mrs. Pampery strolling along the street with her dog. Mr. Herriot is shocked at the dog's appearance. The dog is looking fat and ill. His eyes are fat and his tongue is hanging. Mrs. Pampery explains to Mr. Herriot that the dog was looking very weak and listless for some time. Therefore, she thought that he must be suffering from malnutrition. She gave him some malt, cod liver oil, and Horlicks as extra diet from his normal feed. When Mr. Herriot asked her whether she had cut down on the sweet things given on Tricky, she replies that she tried but failed in. In her opinion, Tricky loves cream cakes, chocolate, etc. The doctor is very upset to know about Tricky's heavy diet. So, in desperation, he asks whether she is giving him plenty of exercise. Mrs. Pumphrey replies that Tricky does not have little walks now, but doesn't play games like ring throwing as he used to do earlier. Mr. Herriot warns her that she must keep Tricky on a very strict diet or he will be seriously ill. After a few days, the expected message comes to Dr. Herriot. He comes to know that Tricky has stopped eating and has frequent vomiting. The doctor knows that the best way to treat Tricky is to get him out of the hands of his mistress. Therefore, he suggests that Tricky is to be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Mrs. Pampery cannot bear the thought of separation from Tricky for such a long time. Her maids and other staff members bring the baby's day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, etc., so that the dog feel comfortable. Dr. Herriot drives out of the house with the dog in a hurry From the back view mirror, he notices that everybody is in tears. Now Tricky arrives in the surgery clinic. He looks at the noisy pack of dogs with dull eyes and lies motionless on the carpet. The other dogs sniff round him and finding him dull. They ignore him. Dr. Harriet keeps an eye on Tricky for the first couple of days and gives him nothing but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, Tricky starts showing some interest in his surrounding. On the third day, he begins to whimper when he hears the other dogs in the yard. These are positive signs of the recovery. Improvement started. Soon Tricky becomes friendly with other dogs. Other dogs surround him and befriend him after giving him a thorough inspection. Later that day, other dogs have their feeding bowls and Tricky licks the bowls after they have had their fill. Next day, an extra bowl is placed for him and he rushes fast to have it. Dr. Harriet does not give him any special treatment, yet Tricky rapidly improves himself and runs about with other dogs with great enthusiasm. All this while, Mrs. Pamprey keeps on ringing a dozen times to update on Tricky's health. Dr. Harriet reassures her that her pet dog is out of danger. In her concern, she sends fresh eggs, bottles of wine, brandy, etc., so that Tricky may build up his health fast. All these items are thankfully received and consumed by Dr. Harriet and the members of his staff. Everybody was Everybody was so happy that they wanted to keep Tricky in the surgery as a permanent guest. However, Dr. Harriet has to phone Mrs. Pamprey and tell her to collect Tricky. She arrives in a long black car and Dr. Harriet brings the lively dog Tricky, who leaps into her arms as soon as he sees his mistress. So this is the trump of surgery. Trump victory. So, students, I think you are able to understand this story. Thank you, students.